Side cutters help improve your bucket's performance while protecting your sidebars. Let's look at how to remove and install side cutters. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. First, inspect the cutters for signs they need to be replaced. You're checking that the cutters still provide clearance for the bucket during trenching. They should also aid in cutting through trenching wall material and in protecting sidebars. If the cutters are not performing as needed, it's time to replace them. Begin by removing the mounting bolts and side cutters. Clean off any packed material from the mounting surface of the bucket sidebar and of the side cutter. Using a grinder, if necessary, remove any burrs or protrusions on the bucket surfaces and place the new cutter. To protect the bolts from breaking prematurely, make sure there is no gap between the side plate and the cutter's shear ledge. Hand tighten the bolts, using thread compound if needed. Finally, torque the mounting bolts to the specification listed in your installation instructions. You can order replacement side cutters at parts.cat.com. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.